Hi, let us provide solution to this question. The question reads, the angles of a quadrilateral are given as 24 degree, 3x degree, 120 degree, and 144 degree. Find x. Now, the first thing that should come to our mind is that for a triangle, the sum of the angle is 180. For a quadrilateral, the sum of the angle is 360, and that's what we are going to be working with. That is, a quadrilateral is any shape that has 4 sides or 4 angles. Now, if they are having 4 angles, that is, the summation of the angles, all the 4 angles, must be equal to 360. And for that triangle that I mentioned earlier, that is, when I add all the 3 angles in the triangle, I must get 180. Now we are having a quadrilateral on the board. That means when I add all the angles, they must be 4. That's the first thing. And when I add them, I must get 360. Now let's say if we are having up to 4 angles here. We have 24, that's 1. We have 3x, that's 2. We have 120, that's 3. And then we have 144, that's 4. Now, since they are already 4, that means when I add these 4 angles together, it must be equal to 360. So that means I will be having 24 plus 3x plus 120 plus 144. All these in degree must be equal to 360 degrees. Now let's add this together. 24 is the number, 3x is having a variable, that is, I cannot add 24 with 3x, but I can add 24 to 120. So now 24 plus 120 will give me 144. Then 144 plus 144 will give us 288. That means I'm having 3x plus 288 left now in degree, and then 360 at the other side. Since 3x is having a variable, but 288 is just a number like 360, which is at the other side. That means I will take 288 to the other side of the equation, which means I will be having 3x equals to 360. This one going there will turn to minus 288. Now let us subtract. 360 minus 288, when you have 360 here, minus 288, we can see that 10 minus 8 will give us 2, then 15 minus 8, that will give us 7, and this should be 0. That means we are having 72, and then in that case we'll be having 3x equals to 72 degrees. Now we are looking for the value of x because that was what the question said. That means I will need to divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 3. Now 3 will take care of 3. The next thing is to divide 72 by 3. How many 3 is 7? There will be 2. 2 will be the 1. Then 3 in 12 is 4. So in that case, that means the value of x is 24. And that will be the answer to the question we are having here. Thank you. Have an awesome day.